Have you ever been confused if Shopify is the same as Spotify? Well, I have, and they do seem to have some similarities. But don't get confused now. We are going to review a website builder, not a music streaming platform. Hello there, guys, and welcome to the Hello there, guys, and welcome to the Shopify review. Happy to have you here with me, and in the next 10 minutes I will review the whole Shopify website builder and see if it's any good. There are plenty of other reviews on the internet and they're very different from one another, but I will provide you with my personal unbiased opinion and give my final verdict if you should use their service or possibly stay away from it. So I am going to discuss the Shopify's main and best features. Who is it gonna be best for? What are the pros and cons of it? And of course, I will give you more details on the pricing. And usually I have links that give additional discounts, so I will make sure to put them in the description if I happen to find any. Alrighty, let's get into it. Shopify is best known for having a platform that is absolutely best for anyone who wants to have a website with the most advanced e-commerce functions. And yeah, if you would be surfing the internet, forums, looking for suggestions for the e-commerce website builder, you'll probably be hearing a lot about Shopify. But once I researched and used it for myself, I can relate to the functionality of this platform and see why it is so widely recommended among the users. So let's dig a little deeper and see everything for ourselves. So immediately after we go to their website, we can see that everything looks clean and sleek, which I personally like. The registration process is very simple, as you can log in using your Facebook, Gmail account, or just register using your email. And that's pretty much it. So as you can see on the left side of the screen, there are the tab sections such as products, where you can see the list of the products you have, customers, where you can see a list of the people who purchased something on your website, analytics, where you can track what's been going on your website, and much more. So I will check everything out step by step before going to the website itself. Now, real quick, in the Products tab, you can add the products that you want to sell. So you can add everything here, starting from the title of the product, description, images, price, quantity, and basically everything that you would want to add. What I like is that you can work on the product's SEO straight from the Inventory tab by adding page title, description, URLs, and everything else. This is one of the features that not every other website builder has. In the inventory section, you can see how much of the inventory you have left, so you can track it in one page, which is also a nice feature to have. Then we have transfers, where you can see the transfers that were made, collections for different products, and then the gift card section. I also like this feature as it gives you the freedom to start selling gift cards easily. You can press sell gift cards, add a title of it, description, media files, choose the amounts you want to have for your gift cards, and that's it. Now, continuing this Shopify review, let's jump into the Customers tab. Here we can see all the customers that are registered to our website, as we can also register new ones ourselves. Say we want to do that, we put all the required information, mark what's important. Of course, we're paying taxes, so we'll leave this ticked, and that's pretty much it. Of course, we can write tags, as we may want to sort those clients, from others, so it's a pretty useful tool as well. Then we have the Analytics dashboard, where we can see what happened throughout a period of time. I guess I don't need to explain what's going on here, but what's important is that you can track everything on spot right here, right now, which I find to be a great feature as well. And I found the live view feature to be pretty useful and unique, as I cannot recall any other website builders, which has that feature. As Shopify mainly focuses on e-commerce, this might be a useful feature. Say, for example, you launch a special sale and you want to see how it performs location-wise. You can do that easily with Shopify. So, it's a cool feature to have. Same as, for example, I have a special deal link in our description for Shopify, and I would love to see who, when, and where uses that opportunity to get the discount. So I'm giving a plus for Shopify. Hey guys, and if you're enjoying this kind of content and you find it useful, don't forget to hit that like button, as it means a lot to me. Thank you, and now let's get back to the Shopify review. Okay, so now there's the marketing section, which does play a big role here. Using this feature, you can send special marketing emails to your customers about special offers, discounts, new products that came to your website, and so much more. So for example, we have an email here which is being sent to the customers who have abandoned their shopping cart. So there's a lot of features you may want to work on, but don't get me wrong, I don't believe believe that it would be very complicated to understand what's going on here unless you're absolutely new in the website building and you never had any experience with that before. But again, I believe that it should be a piece of cake for most of the users. Discount section allows you to add coupon links, which, when applied, give, for example, a percentage discount for the whole cart, a fixed discount, free shipping, and you can set all the rest of the features. So in my opinion, all the e-commerce features here on Shopify are pretty well made, and I don't see anything that's missing here. So far, so good. Lastly, before going on to the website editing features, checking out the Applications tab real quick, but I don't think that I will surprise you a lot here. So you can visit the Shopify App Store and see all the applications you can implement to your e-commerce website. Most of the applications are free, but there are others that come at a certain price. So, you can get a trial to test them out first, but they will start charging after it, starting from $10 a month and going to $100 a month, which is dang expensive. But yeah, it really depends on the application you would like to get. Again, in my personal opinion, all the basic and most necessary features and tools are available for free, but if you would be looking for something exclusive, then you'd have to pay an extra price for that. Okay, so now let's dig a little deeper into this Shopify review. Let's see the website builder itself. So let's begin with the visuals of the website by choosing our template. There are just 9 of the free templates, which are enough, but I guess 9 does look pretty limiting. I mean, you would like to have at least 20-25, but there are tons of premium templates though, but they're pretty pricey as they come for $100 or more. The good news is that you pay once for them and that's it. I would really like to see more of the free templates available for Shopify users. So I'm going to choose a free template, choose a design of it, which most of the time is either light or dark, and that's it. Now, on the left side of the screen, you can see the structure of your website. You can edit this part easily, hide or delete it with a click of a button. It also allows you to edit the alignment of images, text, change the size of it. And if you would be missing the option to edit the fonts, it's right here. At first, whilst doing a research on Shopify, I couldn't find this feature and I thought they're limited and they don't allow you changing the fonts of the text, but I'm happy that I was wrong. And you can add more sections to your website, such as galleries, newsletters, maps, and much more. And if you want to add more pages, you can do that easily as well. So I say that it's not going to limit you, as it will give you the necessary features to make your website look and feel nice. I'm pretty satisfied with the experience with Shopify. So before we put everything into a conclusion in this Shopify review, I want to highlight that this website builder does seem to have pretty decent features, and I personally would feel pretty confident going with them for my e-commerce website. I would say that Shopify is best for entry or average level users who want to have a functional e-commerce website with essential features to track their performance and sales, to have the option to edit the products, discounts, coupon pages without the hassle of coding. So if you're looking for a pretty easy to use website building platform, this will be a decent option for you. Unless you have a very strict and tight budget, then you might find it a little less affordable. I will talk all about the pricing in just a moment. So now I want to discuss all the pros and cons of Shopify. On the pros side, I see Shopify as one of the most advanced e-commerce website builders with great features for anyone who is starting their business and want to sell something online. Shopify has great tools, it's pretty intuitive and has an interface that is pretty easy to use. So I'm pretty sure that if you are not a super advanced coder, you should find Shopify really easy. On the downsides, I would love to see more of the free templates that would be available to anyone, as that 9 they offer right now is not quite enough, in my opinion. And also, I find Shopify to be on the side of less affordable website builders. Okay, so let's check out the pricing right now. So finishing this Shopify review, let's talk about money, as it is still one of the most important factors when choosing your best website builder. So you can see all the prices on the screen right now, and their most basic plan comes at $29 per month, which is, well, quite expensive. It does provide all the main features, and there are only a few differences between the other plans. Mostly, with more expensive plans, you'll be getting the option to register more accounts for your staff, the ability to analyze professional reports, access to the third-party shipping rate calculator, and better charging rates, as Shopify does charge you with a percentage of the sale you make. So with the most advanced plan, you will be getting the best charging rates. But if these prices seem too much for you, I have some good news. We happen to find and update our discount and special deal links and put them in the description down below. So if you're looking for a way to save, check out the link below, as we might have a special deal or a special discount at the time you're watching this video. Do it now and you won't miss your chance to save big. So that's pretty much it for our Shopify review. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you found this information useful. If you did, hit that like and subscribe to our channel, as I'm going to upload more videos like that in the future. And check out our website mybestwebsitebuilder.com for more written reviews about Shopify and other ones as well. This is Side Guide. Thank you for watching. Signing out.